Welcome to Robin's house. Today I wanted to show you the Traditions of Christmas paper because it is so pretty. It has this, I don't know if you, I think you can see it, this is outlined in gold foil poinsettias, and then some small light poinsettias and some little flowers that again outlined in gold foil, a little larger design with that gold foil. And then we've got some bouquets, I suppose, and even larger or more sparse flowers. And then look at this pretty, pretty paper with the gold foil in there and then the white flowers tucked in there. And then you go on the back side and we've got some little bit more plainer. Look at this gorgeous plaid. I love plaids. This one's very cute too. But some nice monotone and simpler papers on the back that are so pretty. And I'm showing you these because the Keeping Traditions Scrapbooking Workshop uses this same paper of Traditions of Christmas, but I consider them like a cousin because it includes 3 paper designs, 2 each of 3. So we've got this very pretty monochrome poinsettia, this really nice secret sea, and then this other one which has a little bit of both, a little bit of pink, a little bit of red, a little bit of blue and green on there, and then even some pool party in the background. We go on the back and we've got this really fun plaid, that stripe and that polka dot. But this one, none of these have that gold on them. So that's why they're a cousin of that Traditions of Christmas. They're very, very close, but they're not the exact same papers, or at least not all of them are the exact same papers. And then you also get two sets of exclusive papers. So you get 2 of this secret sea and etching outlines, and then this probably cloud cover with some lines. These are both background papers. And then you get a couple of die cut sheets. So this one's got some scallop pages and then some flowers. Then we've got several pages of cardstocks. And then you get some sheet of stickers and some photo mounts. So this is an all-inclusive kit for you for Christmas layouts, and it is called Keeping Traditions. And it's 3 2-page layout. It's going to correct. It's going to contain, I guess. The secret or this optional featured technique is adding some Wink of Stella to add some glitter. That's very fun. So it does have a cutting guide. If you don't get it pre-cut by me, it has an assembly guide and it's all ready to go. It has everything but the trimmer and the glue in here for you. And then, of course, the Wink of Stella. So make sure that you RSVP for this for me by the 5th of December so you can get your very own scrapbooking pre-cut workshop. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.